Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get the small wind turbine in Astroneer. This is going to be useful for producing some power in the start of the game. So, to begin first of all, go ahead to the research tab and inside of the first section, go downwards until you see the small generator and scroll towards right until you see small wind turbine. Go ahead and unlock it, and as you can see you'll need one ceramic. And ceramic can be made from clay, and clay can be gathered from every planet on the surface or inside of caves. And to get the ceramic, just go ahead and place the clay into a smelting furnace, melt it, and as you can see, we will get some ceramic. Once it's done, just go to your inventory, the ceramic inside, and find the recipe for the small wind turbine, just like here, just like this, and click this green button. Craft it. Now, once you've done that, it is going to generate some power inside of your inventory, or when you place it down, you can connect it to your power grid, and when the wind is going to blow, it is producing 1.5 units of electricity. So this is pretty much all. How to get it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.